If you want to change your first name and surname in Yahoo Mail, you're in the right place. In this quick step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to go so you can update your Yahoo account name in just a few minutes. This is useful if your name has changed, if you made a typo when you first signed up, or if you simply want your account details to look more accurate and professional. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Yahoo Mail and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're inside your inbox, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is where Yahoo keeps your account options and personal settings. After you click your profile, a menu should appear. From there, choose Manage Your Account. This will take you to your Yahoo account settings page, where you can update important details linked to your profile. Now that you're on the account page, look for Personal Settings. Depending on your screen layout, this may appear as a section in the settings area or inside your account details page. Click on it to continue. Inside Personal Settings, find the section labeled Your Personal Details. This is the area where Yahoo stores your name and other personal information. Once you locate it, click Update. This opens the form that lets you edit your account name. Now you'll be able to change your first name and surname. Carefully type in the new first name you want displayed on your Yahoo account and then update your surname as well. Take your time here and make sure everything is spelled correctly because this is the name that may appear across Yahoo services and account-related communication. After you've entered the correct information, save your changes if prompted. Yahoo may ask you to confirm the update before it applies, so just follow any on-screen instructions to finish the process. Once the update is complete, your Yahoo Mail account should show your new first and last name. If you don't see the change immediately, try refreshing the page or signing out and back in again. In some cases, it can take a short moment for the updated name to sync across the account. And that's it. You've successfully changed your first name and surname in Yahoo Mail. It's a simple process once you know where to look, and now you can keep your account details up to date with just a few clicks. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.